clean this refrigerator. I should have shown y'all the before. So all of this is everything that's in my fridge. I don't keep a lot in my refrigerator, but as you can see, there is stuff that needs to be cleaned off out of. You know, it doesn't really look as bad from the surface. Definitely has not been deep cleaned in a long time, so I'm just gonna get this tackled. Y'all, welcome to my very first video. I have honestly never made a video before, and so I've watched my YouTubers and I've tried to do as best as I could to replicate the ones that I like to watch and the different styles and things. I don't really have all the equipment that other YouTubers have, so just bear with me as far as that goes. But I really hope you just enjoy this video. I decided to start filming after I already decided I was going to clean the refrigerator. So there are some things that I need to work on, like an intro and things like that. But for my first video, if whoever watches this is able to, please let me know if you have any suggestions on things that I should do. It's my first video and I think I did okay, but I still don't know. So just please let me know. And if you guys watch this and you subscribe and you're able to support me, thank you. I don't expect a lot out of my very first video, but one or two subscribers, you know, make me kind of excited. This is my new journey and I really hope that you guys come along with me. And there's gonna be more videos to come. I'm thinking about doing videos about once a week, and I'm also still trying to figure out my channel name. Maybe these are things that I should have figured out before I post a video, but you know what I'm saying, like, gotta start somewhere. So I think my channel is gonna be Samantha TV. Just let me know what y'all think. Okay, so I just have this bottom section to clean out. That's gross. And the doors, and then I gotta clean out, oh my gosh, excuse me, these drawers.
falling for nobody else but you. You caught my eye, and I've got a feeling I'm falling. Show me the ring and I'll jump right through. I used to. I'm flying high, but I've got a feeling I'm falling for nobody else but you. I've got a feeling I'm falling for nobody else but you. I'm flying high, but show me the ring and I'll jump right through. Show me the ring and I'll jump right through. Show me the ring and I'll jump right through. I used. I'm flying high, but I've got a feeling I'm falling for nobody else but you. You caught my eye, and I've got a feeling I'm falling. Show me the ring and I'll jump right through. I used to. I'm flying high, but I've got a feeling I'm falling for nobody else but you. I've got a feeling I'm falling for nobody else but you.
Ever since I started keto, I've been really good about keeping the items in my refrigerator that are keto approved items. So some of these items in here are past expiration date, and we are going to go through them and throw them out. I know that seems like not a lot of food, maybe a waste, but I haven't used a lot of these items and it's time to get going through this. So join the journey with me, y'all. Hey y'all, okay, so I keep eggs in a bowl because if I see them more, I eat them more. And then right here, I'm just gonna go through and start looking at all these labels and checking the dates just to make sure that things are not expired. I use the heavy creams all the time, so I know those aren't. I was actually surprised. Pretty much everything in my refrigerator was fine. I didn't really have anything that was expired drastically or anything like that. To be honest, I'm very proud of myself. So I also had a lot of like condiments, different meats, cheeses, and things like that. I had pulled out a little pile of things, and I don't know why I didn't show it in the footage, but it was things like there was an old packet of sausage and just like little random odd end things in the refrigerator, and I just threw them out. I don't know why I didn't show y'all, but everything like major, like when we did the major pan in the beginning of the video, was pretty much up to date, and the couple things that weren't, I was debating whether or not to give them away, and I didn't, but that's besides the point. Right now I'm just going through these bags of cheeses that I have. I eat so much cheese, it's ridiculous, and I'm not even a cheese eater. Pancakes I don't eat, but my boyfriend loves them, so they're staying. Let's see. Oh, some hot wings. Nope, going in the trash. protein for my keto diet, and I like to keep it in my refrigerator based off of the dates of like what's used. When I buy new ones, they always go in the back left. And then the remainder of the shelves here, I always put the butter up top with the cream cheese, and I like to do my jarred condiments.
Here's how my door came out. I didn't really get rid of a lot on the door, just a couple condiments.
I know my refrigerator icy now, y'all. Time to go grocery shopping. Thank you for watching this video, and subscribe and support your girl. See you next.
Ooh, y'all. Alright, so this video somehow I didn't film an intro or really film an outro. Somehow I just have the footage, so I'm not gonna really get you an intro because it's a little late for that. But I'm gonna get y'all an outro. Okay, so I'm Sam. Thank you for watching this. If you did, like, you're the real deal MVP. You are started with your girl from the bottom. I hope you enjoyed it. I don't really know what I'm doing, and I'm just trying to practice and see what I'm good at, see how I enjoy editing, different things, angles, things like that. I mean, right now we just kind of learning about this whole YouTube thing, so you gotta work with me. But thank you for watching. Subscribe, like, share, please support, show me some love. If you have anything to critique me about as far as things you think I can do better with my videos, please let me know. I am open to suggestions. I'm just trying to grow and do better myself. And please turn the notification bell on, and hopefully next week when this next video goes up, y'all see it. Love y'all. Bye.